guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm downtown Kingston. Pizza place is open. Yeah, so we could tape on the glass. Yeah. Let's see what's happening. Oh yes, I'm back. Oh, the waterfront this one. Oh, we can't walk this one. I'm sure we're going up on the water. This is what happening on the water, guys. This is what happening, guys. The calm before the storm, or the calm before Melissa. Yeah, baby's right this one. People on the side catch fish. I let my walk go up there. Going for the next side, guys. Oh, we can't walk here, so.
Early morning, you have to do the cleaners. I walk in the sea.
You can step yourself. I'm gonna try to step over here. So, yeah, this one little shortcut. Ah! Way! My vendor's still out. People don't take out them laundry, people. Oof.
Look at sick physically. Excuse me.
Huh? Oh, me near you?
My eye.
Oh, your eye. Alright. I'm come over that side here. The one disturb the lady. She says she eye. I'll come up here, so. The water looks so, man. The water look weird. Guys, we just say eye, so stay far out of the way. Woo! What is me a step on, guys? Damn. Actually, I almost sinking. I almost sink down. Oh man. Alright. Out I see. So guys, it's Saturday and it's currently, let me check the time for now. I'm funny. Hold on, guys. It's 2:06 p.m. Yeah. I can't even say it's a happy Saturday today. I'm not even gonna say that, guys. I would have some dead sprat in the water this, guys. Like some dead sprat line after this. It's a pity my GoPro can't zoom in so I can like see it better. I'm just gonna have to just take my word feet. Alright, I'm sure now going to the sky. So yeah, I'm probably wondering, what am I doing outside? You know? I have to catch little footage so they can get to see what is happening. You understand? And guys, share up the video, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for Amanda's reality. Okay guys, so may I go out food? Yeah? There's a jellyfish that's in there, guys. See it right there, sir. One little jellyfish. See it right there, sir. The foot. Woo! You know the apartments are over there, so you know people live on the waterfront. They just sell down there, so right there, so somebody there is asleep. We'll move on. I like what you say, you know. Yes, I just feel sinkish. Look at walk road. Run too soft, man. I walk around here, so. The calm before Melissa. The man them out fishing. I wonder what type of fish them trying to catch. People over the side they are socialized. I guess they're talking about Melissa. So guys, I'm gonna stay down here so too. Huh? Let us talk. What you want to talk? I'm doing a vlog. I'm doing a vlog. I don't want to catch you on the cam. You want to be on the cam? Okay. So it's the water. I want to come over here to talk. Hey, Jamaican man not easy, you know, but them look fishing. But they find the camera no want to talk. Can't talk off cam. No viewers. Ooh. Oh, so them still like people catch fish and them no want them throw it back in the water, I guess. You understand? So this is the calm before Melissa, guys. The calm. No, me a vlog. Me a show them what going out to see a little bit before Melissa come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Calm before the storm.
Calm before Melissa, yeah. The calm before Melissa. We'll go out a little bit. So we're going to run yesterday and head up into the town. So stay tuned, guys, and watch. Guys, it is a rain Drew. I'm open the umbrella. Well, I'm there. So I'm going to get you guys as much footage as I can before I head home. You understand? Alright. Alright, so let me flip the cam so you can see. And the Perina Drew. I hope you guys didn't hear that in guys. Perina Drew, guys. Ooh. I read a Johnny Mansell fishing one gun, so I'm gonna hand them yard business. Alright, guys. Leave them down here, so look at the ground here, man. The weather is weathering. People I'm saying I'm vlogging, but now I take picture. I'm vlogging. Yeah, vlogging. I'm videoing to get a what? Oh, not that, no man. I'm just videoing what's going on the sea. Yeah. On my YouTube channel. For my channel. Oh, Amanda's Reality. Amanda's Reality. Reality. Right. Yeah. Now you can go on YouTube and search. You'll find me. Yes. Okay, so he wants to find my channel.
Sometimes you need a little bit of amusement too. Eh?
Oh, you sure you have on data?
Check it out now, yeah.
Where's your YouTube thingy?
Oh, hold on, let me get it up here.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna look for my YouTube thingy.
Oh, this
That's YouTube.
Yeah, man, YouTube.
So you watch YouTubers?
Man, Amanda, me not try to do every little thing, come remember me still not old and young, you know.
Okay.
Still here.
Alright, search bar. For type 15.
So how you think going on the line?
Alright, here it is.
Yeah, how you think going on the line? Like you have a lot of
that's
views?
me.
But you on 1 point, you reach already, Amanda.
No, don't say that. We're not doing it for the, we're doing it for the passion, the fun.
Yes,
you want me
but
to
Amanda,
press
you
the...
still make a lot of money while doing
No,
it.
I'm not. No, don't talk about money again. No. It's not about money.
So, like
it's about people can see what's going on. You're there, guys, want to hear what's going on? You want me to press subscribe?
Yes.
Alright. Subscribe. So these are all my videos. I just posted this earlier today.
Yeah,
so.
Alright.
Oh, the notification bell. So whenever I post like a video, it's gonna pop up.
And there's ping.
You can leave a positive comment. Let me put it on it so you can see yourself later.
They're supposed to people that like look at the thing.
Don't say that, but they're gonna love you. You're a Jamaican. They love Jamaicans.
They love Jamaica. Some foreign people.
No, a mixture, locals and foreigners, everybody.
They're supposed to Amanda when you post me, you hear so a girl just come to me down and go.
All that too. You want to get I'm put up on it so you can see yourself when I post this vlog.
You see
what you want to say? Yeah, I'm videoing you now.
What I want to say?
Yeah, what you want to say?
Amanda, you're doing great.
Okay.
Continue, Amanda.
Alright. Anybody want to shout out?
Shout out. Yeah, Amanda. I shout you.
Any family friends?
Family friends?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Blessed be love to all my Jamaican family and friends.
Oh.
Yeah?
So you're not going home, the rain is coming in the
minister
is coming?
I try to cool off a bit because I wait on somebody.
Okay, I was wondering why you guys sitting there and...
No man, we sit down there most of the time and just have a lot of rain, so...
Especially in this weather.
No
so.
Man, me my place right by East
Queen
Street.
Okay, I don't know where you put out the address, just like East Queen Street. Alright, so you're going to see yourself later when I post this vlog?
Yes.
Yes, you're going to.
And then I will be on the social media.
Yeah, so you can also leave your comments and say, oh, that's me.
I love Jamaican woman, but I want a foreign woman.
Oh, guys, you want a foreign woman.
Amanda, you hear?
So anybody interested, let him know. They'll see it on the vlog.
Okay. Okay, then, Amanda.
Alright, next
time.
You're
such a nice person.
You too, thank you. And thank you for your subscription.
And thank you very much for helping me to can see you.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, that was so awesome. Guys, that was awesome. You just subscribe to my channel. Alright, time to go back up into the town, guys. Guys, you see that the dog is underneath the car. He shows her in. Hey, puppy. You see him, guys? Hey, why you lying there? You need to go home. You're so cute. Hi. Hello. Some people over there so badly, you know. Okay, I can see them. National Gallery of Jamaica. Right over there, sir. Bob Marley. And I come out to the red Bob. I wanna love you and treat you right. Bob, you're not coming out the rain. Eh? What are the red, Bob? Is it love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Yeah. Gaza first? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. We come out to the road. Something I come out the road. The guy say he's an upcoming artist. What you say artist name is? What you say artist name is? Huh? No. I'm vlogging here. Huh? No, me I vlog, so me I tell the people what your artist name is. I'm vlogging. Yeah. So Gaza Frost. Alright, so guys, Gaza Frost on YouTube. Do you have music on YouTube, right? Alright. Tell them your name again so them can.
Waterfront, you know, upcoming artist.
Anything else you want to tell us?
Well, Gaza Frost is a youth who just like music and just want to do music, but just need a good promoter, you know, to promote music. Okay.
Alright, give them a quick song, please.
Alright, then you want to do it.
Oh, my battery's dying. I have to use my phone. Guys, the battery are dying. Dead.
Alright, shine for
it's on you.
Yo! Hey yo! Yeah! Gaza Frost, you know? Yeah! Homies! Yeah! Sorry, Batman! Frost music never wanna hurt you. Gaza Frost, Batman. Gaza Frost music never wanna make you cry. But listen, Gaza Frost music. Yo, homies, yo, Gaza Frost, I'm going up, yo. Straight up, yo. Wrapping up my music, yo. Wrapping up my music, yo. Club. Pop stars, wrapping up my music, up in the club. This is how we party, up in the club. This is how we rap, up in the club. Yo, ladies, in the club, yo. Party up in the club, yo.
Nice, so that's Gaza Frost.
Party up in the club, yo. Yo, you shake it.
Alright, thank you.
Baby.
So it's Gaza Frost, right?
Shake me,
So I have to look at the rain is coming here. So thank you. You're for YouTube? You're on YouTube? You're on YouTube?
Wrapping up my music, yo.
Cut.
Yo.
You're on YouTube? Cut. My battery's dying and I have to get some more footage. You're on YouTube?
No, I'm not
So you
on the
You could see yourself. It's Amanda's reality, yeah?
Yeah, I'm singing no song.
Alright. Alright, Gaza. Alright.
What is your name? Oh,
Amanda's reality YouTube. Alright, bye. Yeah, man. Guys, the battery are dead. Try across the road here. Rihanna come. So guys, I'm just gonna video until my battery dead. Understand? Lavanya. And what I use? And what I use? So I must take my umbrella gift to a man and walk in at the rain. What kind of man is that? Our furniture place still open. So guys, store them still open. Music guys, the art district. Up in the town where I go, Bashkalaka. Woo! My umbrella almost got stuck, so Bashkalaka up guys. For this Bashkalaka. But you have other places were open. So you know, everybody have to go home and secure them place. So it's mostly like furniture place open downtown. But pharmacy open also. Another furniture place in there. So one more, yeah. It's nice. People still about them looking for furniture. Guys, when I was coming in, I saw a lady buying a TV. Why not? Still buy the things you want. Even though even though Melissa is coming into the place, still buy what you want. You understand? So.
Tablet on sale, phone on sale, TV on sale. Check out the price. The price is reasonable. Check out the price. Check out the deal. Come look it. Come grab it.
I'm also going at the wholesale. We check into one. Alright, 100 people in a store. I'm jumping over the soft cell. Somebody out same way, guys. One thing, guys, don't think always a keep. But I just want people them soon pack up and go home. So I got in a song. Where's this right here, so?
I'm fine. Reach out. So that's a reach out. Yeah, Bumber. Keep your glass of here. I think that's it. I think I'm sitting in a car.
You see me take time?
I'm back to them. Don't go.
You're selling the small. You're selling kids.
Yes, the nice one.
One big water. Big water temperature.
Selling kids do selling
Ramen, 2 cups soup, 2 sausage, 2 banana chips. Ramen, 2 cups soup, 2 banana chips.
Get harder.
3
Alright,
sausage.
let's go, guys. Alright, the camera is still around. That is good. Wow, what's up on man?
Why do I have to have my son? One that is my current and go down. Then I can't I am safe and sanctified. Me roll when you is right by the rain. I am giving birth to the house.
Sorry there. Nobody about them solar like that. For sure, no? A solar fan? I see the guy them solar fan right there, so guys. The chin is still a mouth. And they must sell it, guys. Solar fan as well. That's me, guys. They have to edit it out. They have to check when we go home. Yeah?
Hello, see you cover this here, baby. No, I don't cover this, baby.
Right, the hustle and the bustle. You have to get your matic stuff them. You can't get too pure, guys. Let's get pure. 250 up. What's up with 250?
the 300? 300 ready? You know what's here, man?
How much? This one, much is? Where 251? How many are that one? I give me. Huh? And I'm like when them a bit cheaper, I can't get more than one. What else should I take up? It's not a bag. It's not a bag for them. Yes, baby, I want to hear. Thank you. So I'm getting it for $2.50. $3 at the store, guys. 300.
3 days. Got 300 in the store, late 3 days. The other ones in the store, 300. Everything at 3 days. Everything at 300, 3 days.
No, I'm not going to be able later. No, I'm not going to be able later, sir. 500 for the baby wear, guys. The ones of me now, I'm going to be able later. Yeah. I'm going to make a stand, baby. No.
Laptop on sale for $30,000. Any fun. Airport on sale. By one get one free. Sale on Samsung phones and laptops.
Mine some look nice. Alright, thank you, sir. Alright, thank you too. So with a big tree. Camera still around, guys. So I'm running until the battery dead. So a big tree right there. So we're now in Big Tree. So that's Big Tree where people come and meet up people, socialize. Sometimes they have like service there. So warm. Look at the money about our phone case, guys. Oh, what's the phone case? You have 1 second. Cut it out in mind. See if I can get. You have now. We call it S Ultra, S23 Ultra phone case.
Ultra phone case. No pretty.
This way you have.
I don't really have no.
Tell them to see them properly. Are them flashy?
Yeah.
No, like that.
Yeah,
how much you sell them for?
15 days.
You can miss me do one black one.
No, I'm not black.
Let's see it. Hold on now. It's too flush to get rid. But don't have. They want something like this with the black on it. Alright. Alright. Them phone case are too flashy, guys. Once I take it from more.